All right, you're welcome back. I hope so you don't put your mouth on top of our Twitter page, where be at Talk Wazobia. Before the break, I tell you, say when we come back, we'll go give you 9 things, 9 points to show, say, your husband or your boyfriend that cheats on you. And thanks be to God, we actually get one man inside the studio today to actually let us know whether all those points, it is come and be a true or it is come and be a lie. And now, this point, I don't say you know they talk, say, why not they talk about cheating today?
No, I don't know whether they send you now. The day we don't come this show before. Me? Cheat waiting.
Okay, we'll go find out with this point.
I don't know it's be cheat.
With this few points of ours, we hope we'll be able to convince you, but not confuse you. All right, now this particular point, now Lagos socialite, Joro Olumofin, now I actually bring this one come outside. You can't dish out on how to know if your boyfriend or your husband cheats on you.
Okay, number 1.
Number 1, ladies and gentlemen, number 1. Thank you for that soundtrack, sister.
You're welcome.
Any guy will no longer they jealous or protective of you, they cheat on you.
That means
red flag number 1.
That means another cheat now. Can be jealous fly.
You the jealous fly.
Baba, you be nice guy. Cheatless. 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 That's how you make it be.
You know what say second one?
No.
No, but better not true.
Yeah.
You feel say not true.
No, I don't believe say not true because you get guys where they say even as then they jealous. In fact, now they are cheating. They make them they jealous because they go feel say even you now waiting that they do that you feel do so.
Girls they cheat on their. I don't understand what they
No.
I don't understand what they mean. No, people say that when girls they cheat on their man.
Yes, that's why because I don't let you talk because you want to counteract what you have to.
But let me finish first now, because I can sit on the girl.
Okay. You be gay.
But me, I feel say, but with me, they feel say if two of them get understanding, it depends on where you they work. For example, if your work say okay na night and people they there, for example, you they work for club or you they manage club before you marry, and at the work where you they do be that you come marry and guys they come like people like us and go come and say hey babe this that.
Not they say people like me, my wife they watch this show
because you know they go club. That's
now.
That's how it is.
Boy.
So they kind of talk and you're gonna ask say oh who be this you kill yourself. Then if you know kind of jealous again better for you because now waiting how they do with that.
Actually, you're just born up because even the jealousy.
Because now you go at the end of the day.
The jealousy go put you for BP. So you just choose finally say between headache and problem which one you want.
I'm true.
So you go choose headache instead of problem.
Yes, between headache and problem, you go take some drug, drink it, and you go painkiller go. But problem. Now badly so they're not the feel the cure and they tell you.
So now this one where Joro talks so number 1 not they true.
You know they true.
No, number 1.
I don't buy
No, it did not the talk for 2 of them, not the true because they'll be bad guys. For me, the real husband Hollywood.
Yeah.
Hollywood in this situation.
My sister not in Hollywood.
Yeah, daddy.
All the people they call it douche. I'm not in Hollywood. The real husband Hollywood guy because if you know I'm British, you understand? So
he's a British.
Yeah, British guys, you understand? So you get correct.
All right, let's go number 2.
You get correct.
All right, number 2. If you start to reduce the public display of affection for your body.
No, that ain't wrong, finally. Because like me, I feel everywhere in Dubai. Not for Dubai, they say they can cash if you okay. So, when my wife go that time, my wife didn't say, don't go cash us for you. 1 million. You don't know anybody else. So see, he can't for his room. So my wife comes and say, I cheat on her because they do that one. No.
No, but she go fit talk like that if before you do them and then suddenly you
good.
stop.
No, I want good days to come and start down. When you marry. Now I'm not tell you the difference between friendly and marriage.
Okay.
I don't take for the game.
Yeah.
More.
Yes.
Friendly, you gotta do all to keep all.
Okay.
Now when you keep all, you gotta just balance it. You don't understand?
Oh,
when I English and speak,
that cheap English.
Nah, when you get the dates, that time, the business not serious. Yes, because the truth na face level now when I did for that. So when the boy they do the pepper, Baba they find what he want. Shenke said they find what he want.
Yes.
If Shenke la, she go behave the way he behave.
Yeah.
In Palestine, he go behave the way he behave. So the end and short of the story say that period don't pass. Now, if you date your husband and you dey expect say exactly the way it take do you for one of the friends, you don't say your husband not get friends.
You don't get
You don't get friends. Because if man will be man, get problem. I go come and say, oh baby, oh baby, or when I come there, hold your hand. Come on now. No. I dey tell you, when I feel
man not feel old.
It's not go regular. Woman when I do want this every time, when I blood to the heart. It's not possible. Say every minute, say everybody now behind hell.
But you know, say sometimes the woman herself don't even want me you hold them.
Yes.
Because they talk like say no, now woman they want sometimes the woman don't even want me you touch her, but that's how I don't agree.
When you don't marry?
I don't marry.
Okay.
You don't marry.
Tell that your spiritual husband. Tell that your spiritual husband may leave your hand. So that we feel owe you for physical.
Well, for me, I know they're romantic. Sorry, I know they're romantic. I just my own batty, make it be as it's supposed to be. Yes, it's supposed to be. So, and again, I don't like them young. Me, I feel saying a younger boy. I like them like somebody who don't they mature, where they think about the millions where they won't collect. Go they hold me for street, they hold me for road. Sorry. Or you go they use BB.
Sorry. But the man also talks say not be only PD, not be only
DP.
Personal show of affection.
Not be only PDA. Say if the touchlighting reduce.
We should touch life already the Bengali for us.
No, but when man they mentally disturbed, you know they think about touchlighting.
No, thank you. Come, you get many men experience, so.
No.
Baba, you be man. No, but the truth be say, she just tell you as it is. So when you say touchlighting reduce, when gay and boy they friend, they always like to try many things. Even husband and wife self, they always try many things. But the truth be say, you be human being. You self will be human being. Oh, you know go touch light from year 1 till final year. Yeah, you know say final year for marriage long. So they get the time, and women they know they like me break day for it, especially the one way they PDA. I've been waiting for that thing.
PDA.
I've been a SPC.
But I just feel saying actually, it not actually they right for a man to just. Especially when you do that difference between friendship and marriage. Say you go just try to please the woman, and after you don't please her, you come balance. I know if you say they right.
No.
If you don't do something before, continue and just be yourself.
And if you know they do, no do them.
I'm serious.
See, man just tell you one this thing. When say now many girls where they rub makeup, they don't like rub.
Okay.
But they need meet up. Do you understand me?
They need to meet up.
Many girls, like this kind of akposki where you wear now, so some girls go wear for afternoon, for inside sun. They say, Jibola was, you say, my sister, I need to meet up.
All right.
You get. So sometimes this thing they happen for you to just meet up. Not be say man just decide say,
Okay, so what they try to talk, we say some women after the marriage and they reduce some kind of things where them be
not be reduced. They get balance for other things. For
okay, why would they actually do that? I'm going to talk number 3. Number 3, he say if they treat you like say he be your papa or your boss. He said no more cordial relationship. Then you know say the man they cheat on you.
Yeah, that one I get problem. That cordial must normal. Yes, cordial must normal.
I agree.
So we actually agree.
Yes.
Not regard.
Number 4, if they stay out late and they go straight to bed when he enter house. Woo.
No, that one not be.
No, direct. He don't show you the picture.
You get some women where they rape their husband.
Hell.
No, I don't know. Ewo. You understand?
No, ewo.
I just tell you because some just say the man not there with them since. So when he don't go, he don't come back. They need to now. Sometimes women need to understand to say, man, where they hustle, not strong like that. You don't get what you give and drink. You understand? Just let him when he come. If he
from his mind.
Not be only from because the man self not going to do and make they affect the woman.
Okay.
Not be every day go to tire. If he tire every day, problem day.
But if they stay out late all the time, and then when he come house, now straight to the bed.
So if you come out,
stay for mistress.
It just be like
every day.
If not something where they do before, maybe you know they do them before. He always come out early, and all of a sudden he just stop. They come out late. Then you gonna say something is wrong somewhere.
Okay, we're not go talk about that first before you conclude.
Definitely now.
After you talk about it, you see they do one, or you talk about it, you can turn out to rough. Say waiting happen.
Then before you go even get another point, enter prayer point.
All right. So number 5, but I actually go with this number 4. If they stay out late and he goes, I actually go with this one.
Maybe
not say they cheat, but
maybe you
they
nag.
If
they
you
disturb
see,
am, or you don't
forget
have
nagging,
home
say,
to come to.
Oh,
Yes.
quickly forget nagging. If the man do am and he no gree talk about it, I go come one day no see bed.
I trust
Because
you.
we go must talk about
you
that.
remove
I
the
trust
bed.
you.
So
He
that
no
when
go
he
meet
come, he go
bed.
inside and
So you know if you say, when you don't see Ben, not come as again. I just tell you.
because you need to give man room to come home. So that one too.
I give my room to come home and
All
now
right,
they see am.
number
I
five,
see
number
you.
five, sharp,
More
sharp.
follow
Number
her.
five,
Chuk,
if you
chuk.
know they look your face, don't know that they do same here on top bed.
No, not lie.
So,
Our producer say he don't believe this number five at all.
you know, I
at
believe
all,
her.
even
That
me.
was-
So
that
we
was-
are not believe her.
No,
I don't believe her.
That gist.
For now,
Not
only
gist.
two we don't
So the
pick
girl
out
will come
of
with
this.
my head. Look me.
All right, number six, if you not like your food or doesn't even bother if you cook.
You cook and well.
It means say someone else they cook for
You
her.
cook
No,
and
you
well.
cook am well, yes.
Because
The question
all
is,
this,
sabi cook.
who be this man? I won't give him problem.
In our Lagos socialite, Joro Oluf
We
Mofi.
go find our Caliber. If they watch this show, find this guy for me. I beg you. Go find
I
the
beg
guy.
producer, show us a picture again so that
That's
we
baby
all
go
fit
see am, so that when he see
Once I
am.
see the guy now, I will fit tell you whether this guy, all this thing they do. We
Show us in picture.
We know them now.
But you know, waiting, and I feel say all those things just boils down to if the man all of a sudden this character just changed. Because if the man where they like your cooking before, if the man where they chop your food, not they complain.
Okay, this
See the
guy.
man picture.
Okay, this guy.
You
No,
know
but
her.
we about
Guy
that
dey
character
cheat.
changing. Anything if the character
Then you need
change.
to sit am
If
down.
he dey hustle, way we say they get issue for work, if it change, not be say
definitely.
it change because say in
He
one
wants
wants
come on,
you,
wife.
but
Yeah.
because
But you know, say
certain
as
things dey
women,
happen.
Guy na
especially when
bad
you
guy.
cook food for your husband, you not chop night. As in, it just be like say make the man come beat you and say you cook food, the man not
give you an
chop.
example. You just say me, I know they like, if I even they perform for stage, I they talk about my marriage, you understand? My guy, they with me for motor, one with the call today. When me and my wife, they talk, he just they laugh, you understand? Because my wife be like my guy. You know, my wife don't cook this thing one day, I eat them. When they night, say, that thing does not taste at all, Abi. I say, I tell no. He said, why are you eating it? I said, because they're hungry. You understand? No, I just to tell you that before. Now that kind, some women, if you even tell them what they say, you understand? So the truth is, I can't wife when I marry. I tell now.
All right, number seven. So we not believe in this one. No, only two we don't pick out of this one. Number seven.
Yes.
If they reduce the call where they call you and also if they delay to reply your messages.
I know buy am.
You know, if that one not go outrightly like that, why they do show now? So, now once now if you don't come my shankers, you understand? Then if you come
Who
in
your
for night,
shankers?
that's my wife now.
Okay.
I'll get na shankers. So now you go come in for night. Say, Baba, fana. Now Baba, my wife, they call her Baba. Say, fana. I say, you forget me. I say, but you know, say some things they happen. You go say, okay, I know. See, sometimes, Baba head full. Except your husband jobless, so una fit dey do all those things.
Yes.
I just dey tell you, una fit dey do all those things. But at least, if truly saying they call you steady, even if when they pressure for work, they remember. Some men, they be computer, they're good with that kind of thing. They program them. So okay, before you call my wife, bang, go back to work, come back. But some people will not be like that.
All right,
And
maybe
to me, it depends on the
Number
kind of
seven.
work where they work. Because my man, they're very, 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 very busy. In short, I get timetable to call him because I know time where, okay, at this point, maybe he go day meeting. At this point, whether I go day meeting. And when he day free, he said, don't know my timetable. When he day free, at the end of the day for night, he go do all the long calls. He go return them. And for my head, I don't program him. Except when I can't create this medium, say, okay, moku chat. Because I know, say, you go day busy, moku chat. Or he can't like him. So we can't engage in chatting, and it can't be interesting now. We know they even call a whole day. Sometimes we feel they will not talk.
So you not believe in this number seven?
I lie.
All right, but now you believe him. Number seven. If you reduce phone calls, you don't reply your message.
It depends.
All right, it depends. Me, I not actually believe him too.
I don't believe.
Number eight. If you always stay happy when you're not there around, or when you come in, gas come out.
No,
Issue
that
dey.
problem.
Well, when are they quarrel?
Yeah, wahala dey.
Issue day.
Quarrel day never
No, this
tell
one
you.
is general. We'll give this satellite guy.
Yes.
They say satellite.
So you actually believe in this one?
Yes,
So
quarrel day.
three, now
Quarrel
we
day.
don't pick. Now, the last and the least.
On your list.
From a list.
The last on this list, he say, when he compare you to a friend, wife, or some model where you see on top TV.
No problem. Dude.
He don't end the relationship already for his head. For him to tell you that relationship don't over.
I dey see
And
Tell you.
not be just danger. In the probably another means be saying they try to tell you say may you upgrade. Yeah, because you get some wife as they enter us in end. I they give one joke say well before I marry my wife, then I joke through sha. Because, but if I talk and I go, if say before I marry my wife will say, no. Once it's 6, I don't eat. Once it's 6, I say, Father Lord, I thank you because I know they spend money after 6. As we finish wedding, come for Dubai. 8:30 as I enter, my wife deal with a bar. The shop. I say, baby, what's with my brother? We don't make a move. You understand? So sometimes not gist, but some women, even church why the pastor go to talk some women, how you go just come. Your head there, rapper there, anyhow, you just come, go back, you come with onions, they smell that baby. Maybe, So your husband go smell onions when you open one pit. So sometimes, some men fit talk those things. I don't think it's right though to put it. If you can just say to your wife and say, baby, I like when you do this like this, or why you not arrange this? But once they do them directly, they always make calm say, come up and they see this messy wife. Say I ought.
Or maybe you come over fat. You know, fat be as you first be before. You come over fat. Now another message say you need to start to work out.
You go come find out the ooey.
Because for you know go agree, Abby. You should come fat anyhow.
If you fat.
It depends on some men nowadays. They like women with that they very blessed.
No, but when you dey fat, when I need fat, you dey fat, they chop.
The one way they chop
anyhow
because your husband enters you don't chop since when you in the article. Baby, man, don't you?
Tatiana, what do you talk about this matter?
No, but for me, really, like us we talk. Some women when they enter house, they go just
they don't want
everything. But really, now when you enter house, now the work they start because so marrying at one thing, so keep the marriage now the biggest thing of them all. So you need to arrange yourself. Okay, you don't enter the house. Now that time you will begin to wear the akpo yourself. Now that time you begin to do the every so
the makeup, everything.
It could still look outside though, but when you remember, say you said you still the standard, they go come back.
She not to get.
For me, no matter what, you not compare your wife or your husband to any other man. I feel say when you start to compare, then you don't bring down the esteem of the person where you compare.
Now the issue be that we no, now the issue because you need to understand your partner. If your partner they tell you something and if you say they bring down your esteem, then you yourself you get the issue. No, make it tell
you something, but not start comparing. Say you not see.
No, if it, yes.
Or you not see Queen B.
No, maybe you hold on too much. Inga bring up
somebody else.
Yes. All right, so we're going to need to go on a break. When we come back, we go interview Ushbebe proper. Not go anywhere.
No, she meant to say we go.